Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AI image prompt using Midjourney. So just type in imagine and then upload your image to Discord, and you're just going to basically copy the link here, type in paste, and then type like cute pink duck, I don't know, press enter. I can't currently because the description is required, but you're just going to want to do that to, I guess, like create a prompt from an image that you've uploaded on Discord. And that is pretty much it. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.